How to log in Axis Bank credit card account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Axis Bank credit card account online. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.axisbank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Axis Bank. Now tap on the login button you see on top. You will then be able to see a bunch of login options such as personal banking login, Neo for business login, corporate login, etc. Select the account you want to log into. I will select personal. Nevertheless, the process for logging in for all accounts is pretty much the same. You will now be led to the login portal, so go ahead and firstly enter your login ID or customer ID. If you do not remember your login ID or your customer ID, then you can tap on the Forgot Customer ID or Enable Login ID option respectively and recover your login credentials. Now further, you will be required to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password, and just in case, if you do not remember your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password button and reset your password. Also, you can choose the page you want to land into right after logging in by tapping on the Login Directly to drop-down. Once you have entered all these details, tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be successfully logged in to Axis Bank. You can also log in using your debit card number. So go ahead and tap on the debit card number option you see there, and further enter your debit card number and your ATM PIN and tap on the Get OTP button and enter the OTP further to log yourself in. So this is how you can log in Axis Bank credit card account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.